What is up, guys? We're back for another video. Today we're back for another video. And we're repairing this thing. So my mom's going to get the nail glue so we can glue all this stuff. Because these clamps, if they like wiggle a lot, they come undone very easily, like these. Here we go.
And these should be like this.
See how these wiggle? They should clamp together. Now they don't wiggle. So we're gonna glue those together. This, whoever made this, put this on backwards so we can't clamp it. So we need to take out this whole thing, put it on, this cap. Let's go back on this. Where's the other cap? God. And then we're gonna glue these because they're easy to come off. And then we're probably gonna put some screws in this so it doesn't wiggle. Anything else? Oh, we're gonna tighten all these because some of them are wiggly and loose. The red ones are the loose. I don't know why the red ones are. The red ones are the ones that are always loose. And yeah, I think we have a level here, and it's weird because we can balance the ball on the other side, but we can balance the ball on that side, but not this side. So yeah, we have the glue, and I can't open it. Oh. We need to peel this, I think. What do we do?
Just aggressively twist it. It'll come off if you do it hard enough.
It's too small. Here. Time lapse. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm probably gonna go upstairs and just play video games.